Have you started feeling like your legs are getting weaker? Struggling to climb stairs, get up from a chair, or walk for long without getting tired? That's not just fatigue. It's your body asking for movement. The good news, you don't need a gym or hours of training. Just 5 simple exercises, plus 1 extra, can keep your legs strong, stable, and ready for daily life. And even if you've never worked out before, don't worry. I'll show beginner-friendly variations, too. This is for everyone, and it starts now. If there's one exercise that literally carries the power to turn average legs into solid pillars, it's the squat. From the basic assisted version with wall or chair support to the classic weighted squat. This movement is one of the most complete in the training world. It fits perfectly not only in the realm of fitness, but also in everyday life, helping people maintain their independence for much longer. Want to walk to the grocery store without getting tired? Climb stairs safely. Get up from the couch with strength and control. Then the squat needs to be part of your workout routine. No question. Now, here's something important. Don't worry if you've never done this movement before. You'll learn the step by step. Squats strengthen your glutes, thighs, hips, and core, improving balance, stability, and posture. They're also great for those looking to lose weight since they activate large muscle groups and boost calorie burn. For older adults, there's an extra bonus. Squats help prevent falls, increase bone density, and preserve functional independence. It's like putting your body in a state of active protection, and that's priceless. Let's begin with the assisted squat. Perfect for those taking their first steps or feeling a bit unsteady. You can use a sturdy chair or wall bar for support, keeping your feet shoulder-width apart and slightly turned out in line with your knees. Think of it like sitting down slowly. Hips go back first and you squat only as far as your body allows without forcing. Remember to breathe throughout. Inhale as you go down. Exhale as you come up. Technique matters more than how low you go. From there, the bodyweight squat done without any support brings more freedom and challenge. Keep your core engaged, spine neutral, and feet firmly planted. Proper breathing keeps you focused and helps release tension. And when your body's ready for more, you can add resistance with dumbbells or a kettlebell held at chest level. That's when your training begins to not only build muscles, but also build safety, strength, and awareness in every step you take. Now that we've built a solid foundation with squats, let's move on to something that might not look intense at first. But trust me, it matters just as much. Often overlooked, but incredibly effective, standing hip flexion is one of those exercises that seems simple, but deliver a lot. It mimics the motion of lifting the knee, activating muscles we use constantly, like when climbing stairs, walking, or even putting on pants. For anyone aiming to maintain mobility, strengthen the hips, and gain better stability while walking, this move is a true game-changer. Whether it's in fitness, sports, or a proactive daily routine, it directly supports independence. One of its greatest benefits is how it strengthens the hip flexors, an area often ignored in traditional workouts. This translates into better posture, reduced lower back pain, and a lower risk of falls, especially in older adults. It also helps build muscles that support balance, and improves motor control in the legs, which is crucial for a functional body. A strong hip foundation reduces the risk of injury and enhances performance in any workout. Whether you're at the gym or moving through your everyday life. To get started, stand tall and slowly raise one knee to hip level, keeping your abs engaged and avoiding any backward lean. Use a wall or sturdy chair for support if needed. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps on each leg. As you gain confidence, add light ankle weights or resistance bands to increase the challenge. This movement doesn't just prep your body for more demanding training. It sharpens body awareness and paves the way for smoother, safer motion. By the way, this kind of movement is exactly what I recommend inside that plan we created specifically for men over 40. It's a simple, no-pressure roadmap for building strength and energy in your everyday life. After improving mobility and stability with the previous exercises, it's time to introduce a new level of challenge, the Single Leg RDL. This exercise blends strength and balance in a powerful way. activating the stabilizer muscles that keep you steady when walking or navigating obstacles. It's an essential tool in the world of training, especially for anyone who wants to stay agile, safe, and ready for anything, whether at the gym or in daily life. The main benefit: you'll build muscles in your hamstrings, glutes, and core while seriously boosting your balance. This combo makes a huge difference in everyday situations like picking something up from the floor or stepping down a curb without wobbling. It also targets those small, often forgotten muscles that traditional workouts miss. It protects your joints, sharpens motor control, and strengthens the foundation that prevents falls. To begin, stand near a wall or chair for support if needed. Balancing on one leg, hinge your hips forward while extending the other leg straight behind you like a scale tipping forward. Keep your spine neutral, abs engaged, and lower yourself only as far as you can without losing form. Then return with control. Do 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps per leg. Over time, you can add light dumbbells to increase resistance. It's not about speed. It's about precision. And with that kind of control, we're ready to take glute training even further. The next move is a favorite for targeting one of the most important muscle groups in your body, the glutes. The glute bridge is a simple, safe, and highly effective exercise that strengthens not just the backside, but also supports your lower back and hips, making it perfect for any stage of fitness or age. Whether you're chasing better performance in sports or simply want to move pain-free through daily life, this exercise delivers. It builds a stronger foundation for standing, walking, and even just getting out of bed with confidence. One of its biggest strengths is how it teaches your body to properly activate the glutes, a muscle group that often goes asleep in people who sit a lot. And for older adults, that's especially important. Strong glutes improve posture, support the spine, and relieve pressure from the knees. Over time, this move helps build muscles, increase hip stability, and enhance coordination. All crucial for safe fluid movement. Plus, it pairs perfectly with squats and other lower body exercises, boosting results and preventing pain. Start by lying on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the ground, and arms relaxed by your sides. Press your heels into the floor and lift your hips, squeezing the glutes at the top without arching your back. Hold for a second, then lower slowly. Begin with 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. When it feels too easy, try doing it with one leg lifted or place a weight on your hips for resistance. Whether your goal is to grow muscle, lose weight, or simply move better, the glute bridge has a place in your workout. And speaking of support, after activating the glutes and stabilizers, it's time to put all that strength to the test with the wall squat. This isometric exercise might look calm from the outside, but don't be fooled. It lights up your muscles and builds serious endurance. Holding the position with your back against the wall helps reinforce proper squat form while taking pressure off the joints. It's perfect for those aiming to build muscles in the thighs and glutes while improving overall leg stamina and mental focus. The magic of the wall squat is in its simplicity. By holding the position, your muscles work continuously without movement, increasing strength and muscular control. It also engages the core and helps develop resilience, that ability to stay strong even when it burns. For older adults, this can mean better posture, improved joint alignment, and stronger legs to support daily activities. Whether your goal is fitness or functional strength, this move delivers real value. Start by standing with your back flat against the wall, feet about hip width apart and a little forward. Slowly slide down the wall until your knees are bent around 90 degrees, like sitting on an invisible chair. Keep your heels grounded and abs tight. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds to start and build up over time to 1 minute or more. You can even add a ball between your knees for extra engagement. It's a full leg challenge that brings serious results. The calves are often called the second heart of the body, and for good reason. They help pump blood back toward the center, preventing swelling, fatigue, and even more serious circulation issues. That's why calf raises go far beyond appearance. They're essential for anyone focused on long-term health and mobility. This exercise strengthens the lower leg muscles, boosts circulation, helps prevent varicose veins, and reduces that heavy leg feeling common in people who sit or stand for long periods. It also helps build muscles, improves balance, and gives your ankles the support they need for stable, confident walking. To perform it, stand tall with feet shoulder width apart and lift your heels as high as possible. Then lower slowly with control. You can use a step or raised surface to increase the range of motion and make the movement more effective. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps using support if needed. Over time, try single leg raises or add light dumbbells. Your circulation and stability will thank you. Let me ask you this. If your body is going to carry you for life, why not take care of it with simple, effective exercises like these? You've seen that you don't need a gym or prior experience, just the willingness to start. And if you've made it this far, you're already ready to take that step. Which of these moves will you try today? Which one feels like the biggest challenge? Drop it in the comments. I want to know how I can help you even more on this journey. Remember, the more you train, the more freedom you gain. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and share it with someone who also deserves strong legs for life. Because real health is built through movement, and this is just the beginning.